To express ability in the past. Could swim, could read, could solve. When I was younger, I could swim for hours. He could read complex books at an early age. To indicate possibility or uncertainty. Could happen, could be, could work. It could happen if we don't take precautions. This idea could work, but we need more details. To make polite requests or offers. Could you? Could I? Could you help me with this project? Could I borrow your pen for a moment? Could we meet tomorrow to discuss this? To suggest potential actions or ideas. Could try, could consider, could suggest. We could try a different approach to solve this problem. They could consider adding more features to the app. To express hypothetical situations. Could have been, could have done, could have tried. It could have been a disaster if we hadn't prepared. You could have done better with more practice. To indicate permission in the past. Could enter, could leave, could participate. Students could leave the classroom early with permission. Only team members could participate in the competition. Common collocations with could be, could have, could try, could mean this could be the breakthrough we've been waiting for. We could have avoided the problem if we planned better. You could try a simpler method to fix the issue. This change could mean a significant improvement.